On the light. There. Wait.
Hi guys.
Hi.
This is the next episode of Uwais' birthday.
What?
This is the next video of Uwais' birthday.
Of Uwais' birthday?
Yeah. His birthday.
Yeah, see, look at Uwais. He's so happy.
Yeah. Okay. Let's open the Uwais. He's like, yay! I'm so happy. Okay, I'm gonna.
Want to say anything?
I'm gonna open this one. I'm gonna
Which
open
one?
the balloon. I'm gonna
Why so
open
many
this
people?
one. I want this one.
Let Uwais open something? You don't want to let Uwais to open something?
Uwais, this is your special edition. Special. This is special.
Okay.
This is a special.
What special?
Let's do it here. I'm gonna open it. Me too.
You're gonna open it? Okay, come on, open.
Whoa. Wait, I didn't start. What is it? What is this?
One by one.
Oh my God, it's so magical.
What is that?
A kiddie pool?
Yeah, it's a kiddie pool. Can you guys open one by one?
Okay. Wait, open the kiddie pool.
So that is the magical garden.
I love it.
You love it?
It's yummy, Mama. Magical video.
I think that's for Uwais. Right? Okay. One by one, please. Don't shake it.
Okay, I'm gonna have Uwais open his present because he looks like he doesn't care.
So do you like this thing?
Yep, I like it.
Okay, that's the magical garden.
Yep.
Put it right there.
Okay, so we're gonna put this one. Oh, so happy.
Okay, that's for Uwais. Give to Uwais.
This is what you got. Okay, it's better if I do it the other side.
Hello, boy.
It's a magical garden. So,
Come, Hamza, show it to me.
Wow!
Ten. What? What?
Magical.
It's so magical.
It's so
Why you say this is the magical?
That's so funny.
Come, show it to me. Hey, Sarah, show the toys to me.
This is like a fire truck.
Yeah, Uwais' fire
A
truck.
magical
Fire truck.
garden.
That's the magical garden.
And it says so magical.
Okay, open one by one. Diana, help. You can help Kaisara to tear the paper. Yes.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
What is that? Can you show it? Unicorn garden.
Unicorn garden.
Yeah.
So you can actually grow.
Can you turn the box?
Wait, guys, I'm gonna squish this.
It's
one.
here, the front part.
A fire
There.
truck. A fire truck. A fire truck, Mama.
Yes, a fire truck.
Squishy. I'm gonna be opening this one. This is so exciting.
How about that one?
I'm gonna squish.
Wait, one by one, please.
That one.
One by one. Diana, can you sit over there? I would just want to get picture.
That's my one. Let me open that. Mama, open it.
Hey, wait.
It's dinosaur.
It's dinosaur.
It's a dinosaur bone.
Yeah.
This is maybe for a wife. Oh,
What happened?
it's like a balloon that pops.
Yeah.
That shocked me.
What is that, Hamza?
It's dinosaur.
It's
Oh my
dinosaur.
God, dinosaur bubble maker.
Yeah, look at that, Hamza.
Hamza, look, a dinosaur bubble maker. I'm gonna open this one. I don't know who this belongs to. Is this one? Wow. Who would wrap like that? That is so weird. Plastic like a turtle. Oh my God.
Yeah, that belongs to Hamza. That's Hamza's Beanie Boo.
So what is his name? I'm gonna figure out his name. Oh, Hamza, Beanie Boo.
There, Yeah, your Beanie Boo.
Show to Hamza.
I'm the Beanie Boo. Right? Bell?
What?
Green bell?
Yes, Grindel.
It's yours. It's Hamza's.
It's Hamza's Beanie Boo.
Well, stars the Beanie Boo for Hamza.
Yeah. Hamza, your Beanie Boo. Do you like it?
And now I think Uwais like popping the balloon.
Yeah.
Okay, time to squish my squishy. Smells good. Hey guys, I'm gonna open this LOL glow stick thing.
So you open all?
Yeah. Beanie Boo.
Yes, your new Beanie Boo.
I got it. It's so easy. We just spin this Beanie Boo. Oh. Now what do we have here?
Right inside.
Are you kidding me? It's not as easy as Ooh, this one's lying back.
Mm-hmm.
It's dinosaur.
Look at the baby.
I'm gonna open it.
Okay, can you take away one off the table?
Sarah, can you take the table past the table?
Well, I got this one too. You got the same thing as me. And even look, it's power and console. Oh, and this. A blind Oh my god, this has the glow sticks inside. Oh my god, I have many colors. And me too. Oh my god! Glow sticks!
Look at that. Can you show it to me?
Oh my god!
It's a glow stick. So what you supposed to do with that glow stick?
We
Oh,
need to decorate it.
You need to decorate it?
I think we need to do this. There we go.
Uwais.
Oh my goodness.
Uwais, balloon ko Alda? 5.
A dinosaur. Oh, I got it.
Yeah, dinosaur. We have to put the dinosaur bones all together. Okay? Later, maybe later we can play with the dinosaur bones. Yeah. Yes. Mhm. Okay. Just press it. Just press it. Just wait. I think you just need to wait. Come, Hamza.
Dinosaur egg time. I'll help him.
Come, help him to open his dinosaur
Which
egg.
dinosaur you want, Hamza?
We don't know.
Dinosaur with PK runs. But if you still haven't used the baby, you still like the dinosaur. Whoa!
Whoa, what's
Here's
that?
dinosaur. Let's check the to-do list.
What's the due list?
I think it's raptor or a T-Rex.
It looks like a raptor to me.
Yeah, me too. I got Okay, let's see. So Hamza got this one. We got that dinosaur.
That looks like raptor. Yeah, it's right. It's a velociraptor.
So that what he got.
Yeah, Hamza, velociraptor. It's a raptor.
So what is the white one again?
Yeah, it's a
I
raptor.
want Uwais to get this one. It's so cute.
What's that?
It's cute. I don't know what dinosaur it's called. Let's open Uwais.
Brontosaurus?
What is Hamza? It's a raptor. It's a
Yes, a raptor.
Uwais is.
Come on. It's a mystery. You have to open it. Okay?